Welcome back to your Fluency Toolkit. Today, we're learning a conversational super tool. It's the polite way to share your opinion, if you ask me. So, what's it for? We use it when we want to introduce our own thought or perspective after someone asks, or even if we just want to be polite before giving advice. Example 1. Your friends are arguing about dinner. You look at the menu and say, "If you ask me, the pizza place down the street is much better." Example 2. Your coworker is stuck on a business idea. You analyze the data and confidently offer, "If you ask me, we should invest in this strategy now." Example 3. Your friend is confused about a relationship. You listen with care and gently suggest, "If you ask me, you should probably just talk to him about it." The polite opinion rule is key. This pattern softens your advice. It shows you respect their point of view while still sharing yours. It's civilized fluency. The formula is simple. Grab the phrase, "if you ask me," and immediately follow it with any complete sentence. No complex grammar needed. It just plugs in. Stop thinking about "I have a thought" or "my opinion is." This single pattern replaces all that clutter, making your English sound conversational, sophisticated, and instantly natural. See? Sharing a complex thought or opinion is suddenly easy. You have a reliable frame. You don't need to overthink. You just use the pattern and speak. Ready to add another tool to your kit? Subscribe now to learn one powerful conversational pattern daily. Let's keep building your smooth English foundation together.